they say too much work without play makes Jack a dull boy, we've decided to give our children, our students, a chance to showcase their talents in sports. So we have our sports day that comprises all our schools. We have schools from Likoni, we have schools from Twapa, we have schools from Majengo, Towni, and we also have school here in Bagongo. We are trying to make our learners be aware that talent also favors those who use them wisely and appropriately. So we are here to get out of the classroom monotony and also interact with one another. Let the children know that the situation outside here is brotherhood, sisterhood. So we are all here and we are happy. We have certificates for participants. We have trophies for best teams. So it's a competition. It's a competition, and we believe that everything is going to be fine. And as always, we say, may the winning team or the best team win.
Arif.
The mood here is joyous, whereby the turnout of the students is 100% and the guys are really enjoying.